In previous video, we discussed the definition of parabola and conic section. Now in this video, now we will see that the standard form of parabola. What is the standard form of parabola? They will direct ask the question for the 7 marks in parabola chapter. Derive the equation of parabola in the standard form y square equal to 4ax. We have to derive the standard form of parabola equation is y square equal to 4ax. To deriving that equation, first we have to take on the plane, that is in this plane the real axis, that is here is nothing but this is x axis and this is y axis. Here we take as this is any x axis and this is any y axis. Now it is taken as any curve. It is a curve, okay? It is any curve or a parabola. It is nothing but we say that this is a parabola. Now in this parabola we take any point is called P. We take a point P and the fixed point is nothing but here we take as S. The fixed point is S. This fixed point is called here focus. The fixed point is called S is the focus. Now to join these two points and we take the one fixed line. We take the one fixed line. This fixed line is nothing but L equal to 0, the fixed line. This fixed line is can be called as directrix. This fixed line is called directrix, and here we draw on perpendicular distance P to M. We draw on perpendicular distance PM. Here PM is a perpendicular distance from a point P to the fixed line L, that is the directrix. Now here any point, this point will say that here A and this is also a point is Z. Okay. Now in focus we take as here A is nothing but the midpoint between the S and Z. Here A is called what is here? A is vertex. Here A is a vertex and this is nothing but origin. This is a 0, 0. Now here in S we have to take here x axis in plane point we are denoting, so that is x comma, so that is that is a comma 0, that is a comma 0. Now from this diagram we have to derive the standard form of parabola. You should know the diagram. From this diagram we have to derive, very easy to derive the equation of parabola. Now first we have to take one y axis and x axis in this plane. Now we take as parabola the curve. Okay, the curve. Now we take one point P is any point on parabola. Now from the here x axis we also take one fixed point is called a focus. Yes. Now here the PM, the perpendicular distance PM is a perpendicular distance from P to here the directrix is L. L equal to 0 is called a directrix. Now here P projection is M and S projection is Z. The midpoint of Z and S is A. These are the points, and here A is also called a vertex. The A points are 0, 0 because of the intersecting of two lines is called origin, and here the fixed point S is focus. Now to derive what we have discussed in this diagram, we have to write it. Now first I am writing the point is nothing but, now let S be the fixed point and is called focus. So S is a focus. Now S equal to, that is A comma 0. S is called focus, that is A comma 0. Now and another we have, that is P P is any point. P is any point on parabola. P is any point on parabola. Now P is any point on parabola. Now we have to derive the remaining terms here M, Z, A and S. Here M, comma Z are projections of P comma S with respective directrix. L equal to 0. With respect to the directrices L equal to 0 and A is midpoint. A is midpoint of Z and S. A is a midpoint of Z and S. Also A is called vertex. Therefore, A equal to is 0, comma 0. A is called 0, comma 0. Now, from this diagram, again we say that from this diagram here PM is perpendicular distance from P to a fixed line directrix. The fixed line is directrix L equal to 0. Now from conic we say that SP by PM is equal to E. Now if depending on E value, here we say that parabola is 1. So that is SP by PM equal to 1. That is SP equal to PM. That is SP equal to PM. Now squaring on both sides, we get SP whole square equal to PM whole square. Here P of point is any x1 and y1. The distance between the here 2 points is x1 minus a whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. The distance P to M. The distance is P to M. We have to derive the distance of P to M is nothing but x plus a whole square. So that is nothing but x1 plus a whole square. How you are saying P to M is x1 plus a whole square is here directrix value is x plus a equal to 0. The directrix equation is nothing but x plus a equal to 0. Now by simplification here x1 square minus 2x1 plus a square and this is y1 square equal to x1 square plus a square plus 2ax1. Now cancellation here x1 square cancel and here a square cancel. Totally we get y1 square equal to 4ax1. Now then implies, so therefore the required standard form of parabola is y square equal to 4ax. That is y square equal to 4ax. Now this is the standard form of parabola. Now once again I am repeating the standard form of parabola. Derive the equation of parabola standard form y square equal to 4x. Let S be any fixed point is called focus. Here S is called any point focus. Now P of x1 y1 P of x1 y1 is any point on parabola. Here m comma z are projections of P comma S. Here m comma z are projection of P comma S with respective directrix L equal to 0. A is a midpoint of Z and S. Here Z and S midpoint is A. Also A is called an vertex. Now A equal to the point origin is 0, 0. Now PM is a perpendicular distance from point P to a fixed line. Director is L equal to 0. The director is L equal to 0. So that is SP by PM equal to E, constant ratio by conic. That is the depending on E value, we say that if E equal to 1 it's parabola, E less than 1 it's ellipse, E greater than 1 it's a hyperbola. So we discussing parabola, so that is E equal to 1. Now SP by PM equal to 1 and SP equal to PM. Squaring on both sides, we get the equation is y square equal to 4ax. By simplification the equation. So therefore the standard form is y square equal to 4ax. This is the standard form of parabola. Very important to the examination point of view of IPE. They will definitely ask the direct question for 7 marks.